Hello, everyone. Good morning to you all. Welcome to day 24 of 6 a.m. Club. I'm Dr. Arjun Bopanna, and this is NammaKPSC Academy. Thank you for joining me at 6 o'clock, as usual, to have yet another productive day, yet another awesome day. We have been covering so many topics systematically. We have been giving tests every day at 8 o'clock. We are doing CSAT, we are doing current affairs. Things are awesome. Okay, so there has been days when you felt that you could not achieve the targets. There were days when you were depressed. There were days when you felt you did not have any motivation. It is okay. Everybody, let me tell you, everybody goes through, ups and downs on a regular basis, on a daily basis. They should. They are humans. Yes, you are human. You will have emotions. Some days are just too tiring. You don't want to get up. Our objective at 6 a.m. Club is to motivate you so that every day there is some kind of an energy that you get, that you will push yourself to have an awesome day. So promise yourself today that you are going to have another awesome day. You are not going to let that negativity affect you. Okay, it will not prevent you from sitting and studying. Nale, you will be better than what you are today. For that, you have to work hard today. Nenne yenaitu, nenne aglilla, you are doing mistakes. This doesn't really matter. Those who told you can't, keep away from them. You know you can, and you have had good days. 24 days early, there has been good days, and you know you can do it. It is just in the mind, your mind will tell you otherwise. This video admel malko bidana ansutte. No, if you want, go have a tea and coffee and sit and study. Agatte, every hour, push yourselves. Yes, you can do it, guys. Okay, because days are nearing, prelims is near, and you should not give up now. This is the most crucial time, Alva. Whatever you have targeted. See, now after this, science and technology or history, we will have revision, days. Again, you will become awesome after that. After that, one more revision is there. Okay, so 2 more revision of all subject is left. So you still can do it. Yenen miss agide, those revision days early madana. Don't worry. Artha, you can do it. You should do it. You will do it. I know it, because 25 days is left for the exam, and make sure that you are at your best. You should peak now. Yes, you should peak now. Yenalla you had prepared yourself for past 1 year, 2 year. This is the time you are going to peak. And let's do it together, guys. All those positive energy that is watching this video, okay, will make sure all of you together will rise up to the occasion and clear this exam. Yes, a lot of students, however, are still complaining or still feeling demotivated a lot of time. Yakandre KPSC environment is like that, our family environment may be like that. They're not getting right mindset. There's a lot of negativity that is there around them. Motivation for some have, keeps falling. Nimguno aste. If you have found days where you could not find motivation, you could not get up and start studying, you could not sit for more than an hour. Yes, there are those days, and we have to learn a way to stop that, and make sure that we get back to that, get back that energy and consistency, alva. So ellaru at a point of time will undergo problems or demotivation. Madake agala, ivat agade illa anta your brain will tell you, will feel like that. It is very natural. Let me tell you that. Very, very natural. Don't punish yourself for that. It is okay. On divsa, erd divsa hodruno, you still will be able to manage it if you know how to do it. Okay. So make sure that you don't punish yourself. You have to take care of yourself. Nobody will take care of you. Okay, you have to take care. You have to be, making sure that you are taken care emotionally, physically, right? So I found one of the best way to remain motivated in spite of all negativity. ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ಗೊತ್ತು KPSC li ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. We provide training for KPSC. 2-3 ವರ್ಷ notification ಬರಲ್ಲ. There will be so much of problems. Financial problems will be there. Students will not have motivation. Staff problem irutte. There's lot of problems for everybody. Nangunu problems irutte. Others also have problems. You also have problems, right? Nobody is denying that. But what I found, the best way to keep yourself motivated, to remain happy, a smile in spite of all the problems that happens, to remain motivated, to have that smile in your face and to have that josh. What I really found, and practice this. It's a very, very important lesson that I am telling you. Practice this. Okay, practice what I call as gratitude. Then things will change a lot. You know, you should have that gratitude. What is gratitude? Gratitude is, you know, being thankful for who you are and your present situation. I know a lot of things are wrong around you, alva. Exam baggenu there's negativity, nim family situation alli negativity, economic situation, nimdu financial situation alli negativity. Eno ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. 5 ವರ್ಷ 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಒಂಥರ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇದು, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಿದು ಲೈಫ್, ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಅದೊಂಥರ ವಿಶಿಯಸ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ನಿಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಟ್ಟದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆ ತರ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಅನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್, right? You have the ability to get up in the morning and watch this video. You have the ability to work towards your goal, sacrifice other things so that you can sit and study. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆ ತರ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, right? Because they won't have support, they won't be able to study. You might have a loving family, so it's a time now to show that gratitude, right? Gratitude towards who you are, your physical health, right? It's with you. ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನರು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ they won't have good health. You might be in the path to success, but now, right now, you have a good health. You know, you are able to get up morning, walk, do your day-to-day life. ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್ ಎತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದೋ, ಐ ಮೀನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲವ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ವೈಫ್. ಮಕ್ಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. So many things to be gratitude, to show your gratitude. You have a mentor, me, here. Understanding, we don't have any personal relation. I don't know who you are, but I am here standing every day at 6 o'clock, making sure at least few of you get that motivation every day and sit. These are all small gratitude that this universe has given to you. Be happy for that. When you tell yourself, kutkondo nim table alli 1-2 minutes every day morning or every day before you sleep, show that gratitude to this universe. Thank you, my health is good. Thank you, I have a good mentor. Thank you, I have good parents. Thank you, I have a good companion in my life. Thank you anta heli malkondre life, you will have a beautiful dream. You will have comfortable sleep. You will get up with a josh. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So I would strongly suggest, all those who are watching, who feel very low at this point of their life, to practice what I call as gratitude. Okay, be grateful to who you are, to what you have, to the health that you have, okay, to the energy, to the opportunities that you have. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You have the opportunity. Be grateful for that. Be thankful for whomever it is, your parents, your husband or wife, your teachers, your mentor, your guru. Be thankful for them. Okay, also be show how blessed you are, and this will give you that positive energy. You don't know the power of these energies. These are something which science alone cannot define. The energy that you have will give you that push to do a wonderful day, have an awesome day. So show that gratitude, guys. Do that every day. I'll tell you, no, 1 or 2 minutes of gratitude every day. If you're not even religious, ದೇವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Even otherwise, just before you sleep, when you close your eyes, dhyana ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, you show that gratitude. I know a lot of you are suffering, and as humans, this is there, but also find that happiness. Why you are suffering, what you are going to do when you become better, all of that. The gratitude is very important. So gratitude can change everything. The way you think, the energy that you have, every comfort that you have, everything can change, guys. So I want you to do this today at least. In the comment section, please let me know your gratitudes. Okay, what you are what gratitude to whom you have. Do share that in the comment. See the magic that you are going to have. Trust me, the magic that you will have, the energy that you are going to have will be something which you would not have observed it. 1 2 3 4 anta list madi, show me that gratitude, and you see, read others also, and you will relate, and the energy that you will have will take you to a higher place. Okay, guys, so make sure you do that, and let me know in the comment section. I will also give you, I'll read through them, and will make sure that I give a comment for every one of you. Okay, guys, so that's about today's motivation, gratitude. I hope all of you will do it. I hope all of you will benefit from that and remain motivated for the rest of your life. Okay, guys, so with that, we'll move on to today's target. But before that, I want to tell you, I want to emphasize on this. So I want you all to take up this Mission Vijaya 4.0. It's a test, full length test, that we'll be conducting on 22nd December. Kannadadallu irutte, English allu irutte, full length paper, like the way it will be conducted in KPSC. Okay, na? So 22nd December, online irutte, offline irutte. Offline, Bangalore, Mysore, Dharwadalli, we will be having offline and online. I want all of you to subscribe today itself. The link is there in the description box. I want you to do that, because I want to know how serious you are, how motivated you are, because it is very important. Ondsala ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು where you are, and on that 1 week you'll have that confidence. And I want you all to do that. Okay, for me, because I want to know how you have benefited from 6 a.m. club. As a bonus, if you take that, only those who are serious, who will take this test, who will subscribe to it and give that test, yes, for them, a special session from me on 6 a.m. club after the test we will have. Only for subscribers of Mission Vijaya 4.0, Aita, those who give the test on 22nd December. I am forcing you all to do that. Aita, sumne bitre ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ this motivation, I want you to subscribe to this. I want you to take it. So ಅವರು ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ there will be a beautiful session which will energize you like the way you have never been. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe. Adadmele link will be sent only for those who have registered and given the test. Mind it. Okay, idu ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay, sometimes you need schooling also, alva. Sometimes you need that push also. Illa ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ passive ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂರ್ತೀರಾ. I want you to give that test. ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ this benefit. Okay, so make sure in description box ಕೆಳಗಡೆ there is a link. Illa you call us, we will help you out. Okay, guys, so that is about Mission Vijaya 4.0. Aita? And the reason is that I want you to give that new test. ಹೊಸ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಹೊಸ ರೀತಿಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, with updated questions and current affairs. So that is the reason I want you to give this only, 4.0. Okay, na? So with that, today's target, yes, I've been doing science and technology. So in that, IT, we will cover today, information technology, IT. Illa, you are doing history andre 1920s to freedom movement and freedom and partition, and also some facts, list of governor generals of India, and some of the important things that has happened during their time period, like laws enacted, policies, or any war or events that has happened. Amala organization relating to history and any other factual information, if you have made a list or if you know them, like newspapers agli illa organization like that, So various revolts or movements, peasant movements, tribal movements, various other facts, okay, that also you can remember. So this is today's target, 5 hours history or science and technology. Adadmele, today you will also be doing economic survey. So today's current affairs is on economic survey, economic infrastructure. As usual, you can do it from any of these sources. Amele, with respect to CSAT, once again, revision. Okay, so revision of reasoning. Yesterday you had revised. Ivattu other revision ಮಾಡಿ, solve more questions. If anything is missed out, any weak areas are there, identify it and you do it. Okay, now, as usual, make sure about 45 minutes, give importance to your health and, meditation adidu ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, 8 o'clock you get test, no excuse for that, you have to give test. Okay, as I told you, again, Mission Vijaya 4.0, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ special session, okay, which will be a game changer for your exam. Okay, guys, so with that, I will end today's session. Gratitude, very important tool for you to be motivated, remain positive. Show gratitude and write in the comment section what all has kept you positive, what all good is happening in your life. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I shall see you tomorrow, same time at 6 o'clock. Have a wonderful day.